Let's check out Malaysia Genting in 3 days, 2 nights. Let's go! 97-hour ride. Finally, we have arrived in Genting Malaysia. Let's have our first meal of the day. This is the Void. It is about VR technology. Next, we visited the Skytropholis, which is an indoor theme park. The admission ticket is priced at the following. This is the entrance of the Sky Casino. This is the entrance of the Adventureland. The admission ticket can be purchased as a package or individually. It consists of 4 different sections, which is the Zombie Outbreak, Jurassic Park, believe it or not. And 4D Art Museum. However, the attractions doesn't seem to be that attractive. There is a flying fox called the Eagle Landing Zip Line. We are traveling from the SkyAvenue to Genting Highland. In between there's a station called Swee. Basically, it's just a temple which requires a 10 to 15 minute walk via a long passageway. The temperature around here is around 20 degrees.
Our cable car service will make a stop at Swee Station. Passengers who would like to visit Swee Cave's temple can alight at this station and later continue your journey to SkyAvenue Station.
After a long day, finally we get to check into our hotel room. The advantage of this is that the room given was quite near to the lobby. However, the size of the room is quite small. We bought a pair of movie tickets. This is the ImaginaTricks performance that I'll be watching. End of holiday and back to reality.